Okay, welcome to this very impromptu video. My package from Dyson has just arrived. This is the package that I ordered yesterday night and it came like early today. So today I'm gonna do a review on the Dyson AIRWRAP. It's a new hair styler that came out recently, and I know Dyson has been known for their vacuum cleaners lately, but they've been changing the game with hair dryers for a while, and I think a couple days ago they released a new product called a hair styler. And what it does is basically it kind of replaces your curling iron and your hair dryer completely. And personally for me, I like to let my hair air dry because like blow drying this amount of hair takes about like an hour-ish. So I never used to blow dry my hair, and if I was rushing to go out, it would take me like an hour to blow dry and then another hour to curl my hair. So it takes like 2 hours from damp hair. So usually what I do is I wash my hair the day before, and then that day I would curl my hair when it's dry. If this really works, it would cut my getting ready time by half. I can now wash my hair on the day that I am going out and have it styled the same day. So I'm very excited. I haven't opened this, and the price tag on this is about 720 SGD dollars. It's about 400 pounds. It's a really expensive product for like a hair styler. So if I don't like this 200%, I'm returning it for sure. So okay, let me just show y'all. I also don't want to damage the box because there is a good chance that, you know, I'm returning this, because I don't know, I have very little hopes for this. I'm so out of breath because I literally ran down to my reception area and I like begged them to let me receive my parcel. And there she is. Okay, so I got the Dyson AIRWRAP Smooth and Control because I didn't want to get the full package thing. And basically my hair is just frizzy anyway, so I got the Smooth and Control to maintain the frizz. And it comes with two 30mm barrels, one 40mm barrel, and a brush, a smoothing brush. I've also like never bought anything this expensive in my life. So this really feels like, look at it, it's like a luxury product. Wow. It's kind of heavy. Comes in this very nice leather Dyson box. I don't know if you can see. So yeah, let's open it up. Ooh, fancy. It appears they give you like a 30-second tutorial for you to watch. So that's interesting, but you know, I've already binge watched all the YouTube videos that are currently up on YouTube about the Dyson AIRWRAP, so I don't need a 30-second tutorial. Wow. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so nervous. I can't believe it's like, I have never spent like 700 bucks on anything. So this is the actual product. It's a 3-pin plug. It's fairly light. Oh my god. This fucking work. Okay, I have this plugged in. My hair is, it's a little damp. It's been in a towel as I did my makeup today. So I'm gonna start out, oh, it comes with the actual hair drying attachment. So I'm gonna start out with this, just to dry my hair a little bit. Let's figure this out. Oh, that was easy. Once you like stick it on, it doesn't come off. How do you get it off? Oh, okay, I see. There's a little lock attachment. Silly me. So I think if you press down to the unlock sign, it comes off. Okay, so once you pop it on, it doesn't come off, and if you want to unlock it, you just press the, like push this thing down. Okay, I can see that there's a fan, and there are like 3 settings for this. So I'm guessing that's the wind speed, this is the heat level, and I guess this is the cool blast to set the curls later, but I'm gonna dry my hair now, so I'm gonna just... Okay, I think think my hair is kind of dry. I don't know how damp it should be, but to me this is like fairly dry. I'm gonna switch it out and I'm gonna test out the air barrels, which is really what I got this for, so this better work. I personally like bigger curls. I'm gonna try out the 40mm barrel first. Okay, I'm trying to figure out like what direction this goes. It goes outwards. Okay, I'm gonna start by curling this section, and it should go outward. I've seen YouTube videos where they don't comb their hair, but I'm kind of OCD, so I'm gonna brush out my hair a little bit because it's really tangly. So I took a small section, and I'm just gonna... No way! Oh my god. It's so dry. I can't. I don't believe this. I'm just gonna keep going. Okay, I'm guessing this section was a little bit too big. It's kind of curly, but some of the hairs didn't get a chance to wrap around the barrel. So I'm just gonna take out a little bit of hair and try this again. Oh my god, yo! Okay, I see you. Oh my god! It's not hot too. I mean, it's hot, but it's like hand dryers in the toilet. Oh my god, guys, come on! It's so shiny. I really thought I was gonna return this product, but this is just... Oh, let's see that again. Wow, it's completely dry. And y'all, can I just say, this whole uncut video from this time that I started unboxing to now, where almost half my head is dry, it's been 15 minutes. And I talk a lot, so like, it's been 15 minutes from the time that I sat down here and started filming, and half my head is dry. Oh my god. And the curls look so good. Okay. Okay, I guess like some curls don't come out perfect, but this is like probably like my fault. Also, this is the first time I'm using it, and I think I'm doing an alright job. Wow, look at this. You can tell it's a lot shinier than like my normal air-dried hair. So we've done one side of my head, and I really want this side to curl the other way, so it doesn't all look like it's turning one way and I'm being hit by the wind. Just gonna unlock it, pop this off, take the other one, pop it on. Can just carry on. I'm gonna take this small section, which is the framing of my face section, which is like the most important section. I think it's safe to say that this product has exceeded all of my expectations and has caused another dilemma on whether or not it's worth the price tag, which I will continue to think about as I dry the rest of my head. Perfect curl every time. Also, I'm really not sponsored because, you know, I've been talking about returning it. Obviously not sponsored. I wish I was. Why didn't you, Dyson, please? And that's it. My whole head is curled. Okay, final thoughts. I realized like there are some things that this hairdryer does that a regular hairdryer does not do, or curling iron does not do. So for example, how I would normally curl my hair or dry my hair is with a brush and with a hairdryer, right? So I realized that that causes a lot of tugging, and my hair is pretty damaged from like bleaching and dyeing and just from heat products in general. So what happens when I normally dry my hair with a hairdryer is when I'm combing and I'm blow drying it, I'm actually like breaking a lot of the hairs, and I can see that there's a lot of fallout and there's a lot of hair breakage, and like the bathroom sink is a mess and there's a lot of hair on the floor. And with this, there's really virtually no hair fallout unless like I brushed it before and then you see a bunch of hair. But because this is so gentle and you're really not pulling or like forcefully drying and straightening it out, your hair wouldn't break or be forced to like come off your scalp. You know what I mean? Some amount of the hair fall is from like naturally hair drops out, but some of it is because I pull so hard that it will come off. With this, I really think that it will reduce the amount of hair hair drop out. So I'm just gonna show you what the end product looks like. It's clear that I seriously love this product. I don't love the price tag on this, and I personally, I don't know if I would buy this for myself. It's really like a treat yourself type of gift. Like if you really think that you deserve something that you always wanted, then treat yourself. But other than that, it's a really nice gift. It's a really, really nice gift. I think the total amount of time it took me was 25 minutes. And even if I dried my hair with a hairdryer without styling it, just to get it dry would take me like around 40 minutes to an hour just to get it dry. And then to style it, it will take another 30 minutes if I take really big sections. But 40 minutes if I want this type of curls. So this is like a huge time saver. It really cuts down my getting ready time into a fraction. It's not even half. 4 times faster than the amount of time it would take me to get ready. So I don't know, I feel like if you have the money, then yeah, definitely worth it. Go get it. If you don't, I can't tell you it's not that great. It kinda is. Just put it on your Christmas list and hope for a miracle. I haven't tested out their smoothing brush. This is apparently for like frizzy hair, and maybe if you have curly hair and you just want to like smooth it out. I think I will test this out in one of my vlogs one day or the other. But I really like this product. Anyway, that's my review of this thing. My verdict, I really don't think I will return it. I don't think it's fair for the company. I mean, you only return something you don't like, and I am clearly in love with this product, and I think I will be stealing toilet paper from public restrooms for the next few months. I think it's worth it. I'm crazy. I'm sorry, but that's my verdict. Nobody can judge me. Please stop. This is my choice. I love it. And yeah, I think that's the end of this review, because I do have classes to attend later, but I have a lot of time now because I assumed that this would take me like an hour. But yeah, I have classes to go to now, so thank you for watching. I hope this helps somebody. It truly is a magical product, and if you don't believe it, you can get it yourself, and if you don't love it, you can return it. I hope you like to watch product reviews as much as I do, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog / video / I don't know what's happening with my life. But yeah, thank you. Bye.